Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to watch about how to trellis a cucumber so that we'll get the good yield from the cucumber plant. Friends, we have sown the cucumber into our grow bags and you can see that cucumber is now growing. Now if you count the leaves after the cotyledons, it has developed 1, 2, 3, 4 true leaves and it is almost on the 5th leaf. At this 5th leaf, the tendrils will start developing and the plant will start winding. If you support at this stage, the plant will maintain its growth, vertical growth and grow well. So here you can see the tendril is already developed and this is the stage where we need to trellis it. Now this is our parthenocarpic cucumber. That means this cucumber doesn't require any pollination for the fruit setting. Second, this cucumber will fruit based on its main stem. So it doesn't require any side shoot for getting the fruits. So what to do? We must maintain the main shoots very vigorous and strong and we should remove all the side shoots. But for that we need to train them on the single line trellis. If we do the net trellis, it will go all over and multiple branches and it will not give the good quality fruit. So to get the best quality fruit from the parthenocarpic cucumber, we must train it vertically up with a single thread. Now for threading them and supporting them single thread, we have this clip with us. Here this bracket will have a lot of thread winding on it. So what we'll do, we'll tie this thread on the cucumber, train them, and as and when the cucumber grows up into the 6 to 7 feet, we'll lower them for the new shoots growing up. And whatever cucumber we are harvesting, we'll lower down the vine with the help of this bracket. So with this bracket, we have one line tied over 7 foot height. So we'll hang this bracket from that line and support this cucumber with this thread. Now supporting work is very simple. We need to make a simple loose knot or we can use the tomato clip or the loose clip for binding it. So here we are doing a small light knot with this thread. So we are binding this with very lightly, keeping some thread for the growth. If we bind it too tight, so it will cut down our main stem and it will restrict the growth of the cucumber. So we are giving plenty of space for cucumber stem to grow. After that, we need to untie this thread and hang it on the top wire, and after that we will support it. So here we are doing a simple work for supporting like this. Now you can see we have take this thread little loose and now we simply need to round this thread around the plant. So this will give a support. Once the tendril will develop, it will automatically grip this thread and give the support to this cucumber plant. So here we have done into the little bigger one and you can see the support one. So after this, we need to regularly keep supporting this vine vertically up, and whenever the side shoots appears, we should cut it from the one node so that we'll get the single shoots running to the top and giving maximum fruit. This plant will start fruiting after 5th or 6th node, and at that time we'll update you in the urban net house update. But right now we have completed our trellising work like this. So you can also trellis your cucumber like this and get the best quality production from the cucumber. This cucumber will fruit for 25 to 30 nodes and we'll get the around 25 to 30 cucumber from this plant. So friends, how do you like my method of trellising cucumber plant? Please write me back into the comment box, and if you like this, give me the thumb and share with your friends so they can also start supporting their cucumber vine for getting the best yield. Happy growing!